Hello everyone, this is Jonathan from JayRCee. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can automatically control your lights using Arduino. So watch this video till the end to know what are the components needed, how to wire them, and finally, how to program your project. The components needed for this project are a breadboard, an Arduino Uno board, a photoresistor module, and finally a relay. And the components here are the LED that you want to control, and this is the 220 volt power supply you have at your home. So let's see how we can wire these components together. As you can see here, I connected the 5 volt and the ground to the power lines on the breadboard. Then we connect the ground pin of the photoresistor module to the ground pins here, and then we connect the plus to the VCC pins on the breadboard. And finally, we connect the signal to the digital pin number 6 on the Arduino Uno board. After that, we start by connecting the relay. So we connect the ground to the ground pins and the VCC to the 5 volt pins on the breadboard. And then we connect the signal to the digital pin number 7 on the Arduino Uno. Concerning the connection of the power supply with the relay and the LED, we start by connecting the ground to one of the pins on the LED that we have. And we connect the other pin to the COM port on the relay, and then we connect the normally closed pin to the other wire of the LED. So one of the wires is connected directly to the ground and the other wire is connected to the normally closed, which will have the line signal when the relay is activated. By connecting these components together, we have the circuit done and ready to be programmed. Now in the Arduino IDE, we start a new program. We start by writing int LDR equals 6. Which shows that the photoresistor is connected to the digital pin number 6. Then we write int LDR value equals 0, which is the integer value of the photoresistor module. And finally, we write int relay equals 7, which shows that the relay is connected to the digital pin number 7. So these are the global variables we have. Then in the void setup, we specify the pin modes of the digital pins we have. So we write pin mode LDR input, which identifies that the mode of digital pin number 6 is an input. And then we write pin mode relay output, which shows that the pin mode of the digital pin number 7 is an output. And finally, in the void setup, we write serial.begin 9600, which will start the serial communication that we are going to use later in our serial monitor. Then in the void loop, we start by writing LDR value, which is this integer value here, equal digital read LDR, which is the digital pin number 6. This line of the code reads the value of the photoresistor and puts it in LDR value. Then we write serial.println LDR value, which will print the LDR value in the serial monitor. After writing this piece of the code, we upload the code to our Arduino Uno to check what are the values of the LDR when it's in dark and when it's in bright light condition. So first, we check if the port is connected, so COM port 46, and then we click on upload. We have always to make sure that we choose the right board. So I am using now Arduino Uno board, so we have to make sure that the Arduino Uno board is used here. So it is compiling the sketch and then it will upload it to the board. Make sure that you connected the circuit as we saw before, and then we start the serial monitor. So now it's giving us the value of 0 because it is in light. Then we take the photoresistor and put it in dark light conditions. So it started to give us 1. Then we put it in bright, it will give us 0. So in conclusion, the LDR value will be 0 in light conditions and it will be 1 in dark light conditions. So let's write this as a comment. LDR value equals 0 in bright light condition, in bright light, and 1 in dark conditions. After knowing the LDR values in bright light and in dark conditions, now it's time to make our if statements. So we start by writing if LDR value equals 0, which is in bright light, digital write relay low. Relay is connected to the digital pin number 7, low, which turns off the relay and consequently turns off the light. And then we write serial.println, lights are off. And the second case, we write else digital write relay high, which turns on the relay and consequently turns on the light. And then we write serial.println, lights are on. By writing this code, we finished the code of our project. So we select the COM port. It is COM port 46, and then we click on the upload. Done uploading. So we go to the serial monitor. As you can see here, lights are off, 0. And then I will put the photoresistor in a dark place. And as you can see, the LDR value now is 1 and lights are on. You can hear the sound of the relay when it clicks. So the LDR value is 1 and the lights are on and the relay is clicked. And then it's off and the lights are off. So this is how you can make your own automatic light control easily. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't hesitate to click on the subscribe button for more upcoming Arduino tutorials. Have a great day.